I just wrote this today, so. But it's for y'all, everybody who voted for me and all this stuff. The title of this piece is, It's Not Me. I want to thank everyone for your claps and all of your congrats and everyone who voted me as their favorite poet. But these are my confessions like Usher, so please don't be disappointed. When I'm up there spitting rhymes, I can't really take no credit because the poems aren't mine. And man, it's really been killing me. I've been getting undeserved credit, so please forgive me. So let's give credit where credit is due. Let's give a round of applause for my best friend, God. Because my poems are his words. He inspired me to write them. I'm just a tool for God's use to spread the good news. I don't do this for the claps, congrats, snaps, and pats on the back. I don't do this so you can say, hey, she can spit, or man, she tight. I don't do this so you can say that girl, or man, she can write. Don't you understand? It ain't about me. All this spoken word is for God's glory. I'm just the messenger he sent in the form of a poet, spin Christian poems. I'm here to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ so everyone can know him. So when you see me hit the stage and spinning in the mic, don't focus on Ashley, just focus on Christ.
All right.